Hello friends and welcome to my channel Daily Tech Tutor. Today we will learn how to buy and sell pre-owned items on SHEIN Exchange. First of all, make sure you have this SHEIN application installed. Open it. Over here you will see the interface from where you can buy and sell things. On the right bottom, you can click on Me and make sure that you are logged in. In order to sell items on SHEIN, you have to open your browser and search for Sell on SHEIN Marketplace, since you cannot become a seller through app. Now open the first link, a new window will open. Now click on Get Started, scroll down a little and look for the option for Apply Now. Click on Apply Now and a new window will open. Now you need to write your first name, last name, job title, email address and the rest of the things, and you need to click on I have read and agree to SHEIN's seller privacy notice and then click on Submit. Once you submit this, then you will receive a confirmation email from SHEIN and then you can sell your items on SHEIN Marketplace. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to our channel.